Hi all, today we are going to see Samba server configuration. So there are some prerequisites first. So first we check GCC version. So GCC should be installed and Python version should be more than 2.7. 2.8 will be the beta one. So I have already downloaded the RPMs. So we'll install direct from rpm-rv ivh and rpm name. So there is a dependency of Samba common tools here. So I have downloaded the rpm also, rpm-ivh and common tools. Now it's installed. Now you can install the main rpm. Okay, it's installed. Now it will be available in your cd etc/samba. So here smb.conf, that's vi2, and just check whether work group is work group, because in Windows we have common work group. So I'll keep work group as a common name. You can change whatever your environment is. Now add the share directory, the directory which will be used for your share to others. Okay, everybody will see this directory if you permit to. Inside the path, this path should be available in your directories, and it should be available for access also. So I'm giving here the path of the share. We'll create the directory first. So I'm creating here license directory. I'm changing the permission also. Now enter the directory over here. And the valid user should be also entered. So I'm setting the password for that user which I want to give the access to. So smb passwd is the command. Now I set a simple password. Let's just to check the connectivity. Test prom. It will show you the share. So we'll add an exception in the firewall cmd permanent add service samba, and we'll restart it. systemctl enable Samba service. How these services are enabled? Now we need to start the service. Started. Now check the status. Here is the status. Now we'll check by going to that directory. Just type your username and password. Password should be Samba password, which you have entered, not your Linux password. I can see my files over here. So there are currently no files in the license folder. Okay, this share should be enabled to on. There might be some issues with my naming of that folder. I think capital and small letters should be checked. So I did some changes right now. Now I am able to see. So you have to add the users in that directory whom you want to give the permission, and you can see whatever I have given here. You can stop the video and see whatever the changes I have done. Okay, thanks.